Ever since I helped Princess Peach make that delicious strawberry cake for that fat shy guy in Paper Mario, I've been entranced by food in video games. Hey, my name is Hammy. I like to cook things, and this is my channel, Jammy Cooks. I especially like to cook real-life power-ups, loot, and other items from your favorite video games, including Mario, Zelda, Splatoon, Pokemon, and many, many more. Along the way, in these recipe videos, I'll also do deep dives into everything you need to know about these items. And because gaming and food go so well together, I may just review the latest snack or fast food craze. And maybe even share some of my favorite recipes too. You know, the stuff I eat. The intersection of gaming and food is a magical place, and it's what Jammy Cooks is all about. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!